presenting the 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include tachometer, chrome wheels, cruise control, air-conditioned seat, compact disc player, illuminated entry system, tinted glass, and dual airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.